How to talk about visiting the doctor. Listen and repeat. Please listen and repeat. Each sentence will be read twice. Let's go. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. I need to see the doctor. I need to see the doctor. What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. How long have you been feeling this way? How long have you been feeling this way? For about 3 days. For about 3 days. Do you have any other symptoms? Do you have any other symptoms? Yes, I also have a runny nose. Yes, I also have a runny nose. Are you allergic to any medications? Are you allergic to any medications? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Yes, I am allergic to penicillin. Yes, I am allergic to penicillin. It looks like the common cold. It looks like the common cold. I'm prescribing you some cold medications. I'm prescribing you some cold medications. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Take this medicine 3 times a day. How long will it take to recover? How long will it take to recover? You should be feeling much better tomorrow. You should be feeling much better tomorrow. Please fill that prescription at the pharmacy. Please fill that prescription at the pharmacy. Come back and see me in 5 days. Come back and see me in 5 days. Remember to drink plenty of water. Remember to drink plenty of water. Get lots of rest and plenty of sleep. Get lots of rest and plenty of sleep. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much, doctor. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.